You have fine hair like this, you want to add texture to the hair. You're probably going to have to do it with product, so I'm going to use this Fat Boy texture spray, and any kind of texture spray is really good. I love using this one. I'm going to spray it in at the root. So I'm going to spray it like this, right at the roots, separating the hair and making sure I get it into that hair. Okay? Sometimes you can get too much. It's hard to get too much with this product. You can get there though. I'm gonna go higher so you guys can see it. So I'm just gonna grab it. I'm gonna get those ends through. Something really messy like that. That's a little bit higher. I'm just gonna twist it. This is something that he could do himself as well. And I'm just gonna wrap it up like this. And this just adds a little bit more texture to the hair. Adding some of that texture in there. Again, I'm not being too nice with it. Have fun with your hair, enjoy your hair. Let me know if you have any questions.